Hey, welcome. We need to talk about a massive shift in AI that's just around the corner. We're talking about something that's set to completely reshape how we work and build wealth. And it's happening by 2026. Yeah, you heard that right. Forget what you think you know, because this is coming way sooner than you think. Right now, our relationship with AI is kind of simple. We see it as this helpful friend. We ask ChatGPT a question, it spits back an answer. Super useful, sure, but it's pretty passive. It waits for us. But the future? That's about AI becoming a proactive partner, an assistant that doesn't just answer you, but actually goes out and gets things done for you. So how do we get from here to there? What's the big change? It all comes down to what we're calling AI's next big leap. And this right here, this is the entire game changer in a nutshell. We are watching AI jump from being just a conversational tool, a chatbot, to being an action-oriented tool. It's moving beyond just finding information and into actually completing tasks, from chatting to doing. Okay, so this new doing AI isn't going to be some single all-powerful thing. Nope, it's actually going to show up in our lives in three really distinct, really powerful forms. So let's break them down. It's time to meet your new AI sidekick. First up, we've got something called agentic AI. And the word to really focus on here is agent, as in it acts on your behalf. This is the kind of AI where you can give it a really complex goal, and it figures out all the little steps and just executes them from start to finish without you having to micromanage anything. So what does that actually look like? Well, imagine saying, hey, book me a cheap trip to Tokyo for the first week of May, and the AI just handles it. We're talking flights, hotel, it even finds you the best ramen spots. Or, for a business, this could scale up to automatically managing an entire unbelievably complex supply chain. It's wild. Next up, we have domain-specific AI. Now, if agentic AI is the great generalist, these AIs, these are the specialists. They are trained to be absolute world-class experts, but just in one single complex field. They've got knowledge that would take a human an entire lifetime to learn. So in the real world, this means a doctor could instantly cross-reference a patient's symptoms against millions of medical cases. A lawyer could find that one crucial piece of information buried in a mountain of legal documents. And look, this isn't about replacing these professionals, it's about giving them superpowers. And the third and final form is embodied AI. And this is where things get, well, real, tangible. This is the intelligence that actually leaves the digital world of servers and screens and starts to operate in the physical world all around us. And honestly, we're already seeing the start of this, right? Think about those smart robots in warehouses that organize everything perfectly, or how self-driving cars are slowly expanding. Pretty soon, our whole environment could be filled with smart sensors that let AI manage everything from city traffic flow to the energy use in our own home. Okay, so the tech it's absolutely fascinating, but here's where it gets personal. This isn't just about cool new gadgets. This is about a massive economic opportunity. This is about the 2026 wealth shift. Just look at that year. Seriously, this isn't some far-off sci-fi future we're talking about. This is basically just around the corner. This is happening on our watch. And hey, don't just take my word for it. We're talking about financial giants like Goldman Sachs and PwC, pointing directly at 2026 as the tipping point. They're calling it the year of Agent as a Service, or AAAA. You're going to want to remember that acronym. So what in the world is Agent as a Service? Well, it's actually super simple, but it's revolutionary. It means that you, a single person, can use a team of AI agents to do the work that used to require a whole agency full of people. Coders, marketers, customer service, you name it. This table just lays it out perfectly. Just look at the difference. On one side, you've got massive overhead, salaries, split profits. And on the other, a low monthly software subscription, and 100% of the profits go to you. This isn't just a small improvement, this is a totally different way of doing business. Which, of course, brings us to the most important part of this whole explainer. How can you, yes you, actually get in on this? How do you take advantage of this shift? Let's talk about your new AI hustle. And these opportunities are not just for people in Silicon Valley. There is a massive goldmine in what's called hyper-localization. Think about it. Global brands need to connect with local audiences. So imagine using an AI agent to create marketing that's perfectly culturally relevant for languages like Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo in Nigeria. That's an incredibly valuable skill that basically didn't exist a few years ago. And that brings us to this crucial point. This technology, it has the real potential to level the playing field. It can give creative, driven people anywhere on the planet the tools to compete with huge established companies. It really is an economic equalizer. Now, the way people make money with AI is growing up too. We all started with just basic prompting. Then people moved on to selling AI-generated stuff like images or text. But the real money, the money in 2026, is going to be in this third stage, providing sophisticated AI-enhanced services. And here are some real deal examples of what that looks like. Imagine recording your voice just once and then licensing it as an AI voice pack that gets used in thousands of ads. Or what if you're a fitness coach who can charge way more because an AI tracks all your clients' data and proves your methods get results? And get this, you don't even have to build the AI yourself. You could just invest in the infrastructure, the power surge that all these AIs are going to need to run. So, as we start to wrap this up, it all comes down to a really simple but really profound shift in mindset. It's about moving from simply knowing about something to actually doing something with it. Listen, if you take only one thing away from this explainer today, let it be this. The winners in this new economy, they're not going to be the tech experts who know how AI works. The winners will be the entrepreneurs, the creators, the hustlers who learn how to use AI agents to scale their single most valuable asset, their time. So I'm going to leave you with this question to think about. As you imagine this future that's right around the corner, what's the very first annoying, time-consuming task you would hand over to your new AI sidekick? Give it some thought, because that future is almost here. Thanks for watching.